How to lose weight fast and naturally. Hi there, this is Matt, and in this video you're going to learn what kind of food you have to eat and what kind of exercises to do for losing weight fast and naturally. So let's get started. 1. Make up your mind. This is very important. If you make half-hearted efforts to lose weight, you are never really going to succeed. So develop a strong determination. That is what you want, and you will do anything it takes to achieve your goal. 2. Stop eating all simple carbs, such as flour, sugar, starchy vegetables like potatoes, and most grains. These foods cause blood sugar to spike and the pancreas to release insulin to turn all that excess sugar into fat. This is very important to do for losing weight. 3. Increase your water intake. Eliminate soda, sweet teas, highly sugared coffee drinks, processed fruit juices, and alcohol. Instead, drink water. It can help flush toxins from your system. Several studies recommend that women consume 2.8 quarts of water and men consume 3.9 quarts every day. 4. Increase your fiber intake. Fiber helps you to cut your food cravings and acts as natural appetite suppressant. Also, most of the fiber-rich foods are low on the fat content. Try to eat at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day. Fruits that are high in fiber include apples, bananas, strawberries, citrus fruits, prunes, pears, and tangerines. Switch to whole grain or whole wheat bread. White bread is low in fiber. Switch to a high fiber cereal or oatmeal for breakfast. Some cereals that are high in fiber include raisin bran, crackling oat bran, grape nuts, oat bran, and fiber one. Make sure to include peas, beans, and legumes in your diet. Foods that will help you to add these to your meal plan include lentil soup, bean burritos, chili with beans, 3-bean salsa, and refried beans. Switch from regular pasta to whole wheat pasta and from white rice to brown rice. Choose high fiber snacks such as popcorn or whole grain crackers instead of candy bars or other high fat sugary foods. 5. Increase your metabolism. Eat 5 to 6 small meals every 2 to 3 hours daily. It has been scientifically proven that by eating frequently, you raise your body's natural metabolism. That means your body will burn more fat naturally and you become a fat burning machine all day long. 6. Eliminate processed foods such as burgers and pizza, cakes, pastas, and get more good carbohydrates such as oats, brown rice, and jacket potatoes to ensure that your blood sugar levels are kept even and you have plenty of energy. 7. Don't eat at nights. At night, the body prepares itself for sleep and it naturally begins to slow down. So you are more likely to gain weight when you eat at nights because your metabolic rate slows down and you are no longer active, so you don't burn many calories. So avoid eating food after 9 p.m. 8. Exercise every day. Do aerobic exercise 4 to 5 days a week. Several studies show that aerobic activities cause your metabolism to stay at an elevated level for a period of time after you have finished exercising. 9. Running. Running every day is best, but try to run at least 3 to 4 times a week. If you are lacking motivation, join a running group or ask your friend. 10. Bicycling. Get out and ride a bike, but remember to pedal fast. Running your bike around a track or on a dirt track in your neighborhood can burn as much as 500 to 1000 calories an hour. 11. Squats. Do about 2 to 3 sets of 20 to 30 repetitions. These are important because they target the buttocks and leg muscles, and they are the largest muscles in our bodies. 12. Jumping rope. Can be a fun exercise and extremely efficient in not only helping you to lose weight but to give you coordination, build your leg muscles, and help your cardiovascular system. And finally, stay motivated and measure your body fat every 2 weeks using a fat caliper. Shoot pictures of yourself every 2 weeks, front, back, and side. The side pictures will show the most change.